Guys, welcome to RentSyst channel. My name is Valerian, and in this guide I want to share with you the topic related to tracker installation guide. In this guide especially we will talk about first step. It's about configuration, this one. All right, but before go further, I want to highly recommend it to check this document like installation guide and also read user manual. So preferably check it and know your device to know exactly how to set up and configure some tracker characteristics and mounting recommendations about safety and warranty for sure. So let's get started with configuration. Preferably to check also the start guide for configuration video, which is recommended from the Teltonika manufacturer, and how the process goes. Basically, I will show you today about configuration on desktop for Windows, like this one. All right, so when you will install the desktop for Windows, you will need to connect it by the cable or by the Bluetooth, the tracker device, to your configurator, this one, right? And you will find your tracker inside here. In my case, it's a test environment. It's not connected for real. You can see device not connected, but in your case, they will be connected and you will find exactly your device name, IMEI, and so on. So how to connect it? Here on the guide, you can see step number 1.6, and this is one of the most important steps inside configuration, so pay attention for it. The most important part about integration, this is for configure the APN domain port and sound related feature that I show you today. Okay, so going for your Teltonika configurator, tap GPRS. GPRS context should be APN iot.trufone.com. You need to input this data inside without commas, without any dots, spaces, like write it on the guide here. Trufone, it's the SIM card, which is global SIM card using worldwide that we're providing together with the tracker. So in case you are using your own SIM card, where you order by your site, you need to put it APN from your site. The next is domain. Domain is tracker.rentsys.com. This is the server name, this one, for which tracker will send the data for the RentSyst directly. And the port, this one. Sorry, this one. All right. Don't forget to save the changes. The next, going for system and click here, the data protocol should be codec 8. Yeah. And also protocol TCP. Yeah, this one. All right. TCP. Data protocol codec 8 and GPRS TCP activated as well. Right, so this is finally, that's it. Basically, you don't need it to add any other data here. When you will get it for sure here, you will also there see the bottom with the status. I don't have it because it's offline right now, right? Because it's a test environment. But when you save the data, you will find also upside the status bar, which is showing on the screenshot here. Yeah, it's about GSM signal status. So like this one, status, you can see GSM status, and all these features should be activated. Like, yeah, GSM information here, modem okay, SIM status ready, GPRS activated, signal level should be not offline. It can be good, it can be excellent signal, but it not should be offline, because it's offline, then you need to get the better spot to get the better connection. And that's it. Basically, the configuration is done. Make it step by step as described here, or as described on the document part here. And basically that's it. So as you may see, it's very fast to configure. After this one, you can immediately go for installation process. So highly recommend to check start guide for installation as well. And after this one, integration. Yeah, so that's it for today. Hope was useful for you. If any issue or any questions regarding installation, please reach us and we will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.